Hello students, once again I welcome you in my video. We have already gone through the first part of fire, friend and foe. This is the second part of video. You have already learned how to light a, a fire and how to extinguish a fire. The elements, the things which are responsible for lighting a fire and extinguish it, we have discussed. So the remaining part of this lesson we'll discuss today. So be ready for that and be enthusiastic when you are learning. That is what I always say you. So we'll continue with. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires, and we spend more trying to find new ways of preventing fires from happening and getting out of control. So dear students, every year we spend millions of rupees to control fire. On the whole, we have learned rather well to control fire and put it to good use in our everyday life. So, on the whole, we have learned rather well to control fire and put it to good use in our everyday life. If we learn how to control fire, we can use it for good use. Okay, means we instead of destruction, we can use it for some creation. Long ago, there were no firemen. When fire broke out, everybody became a firefighter. People formed human chains, they still do if required, and passed buckets of water from well or pond to the blaze. So if we'll go in past, we can see that there were no firemen. People they just make human chain. Okay, they pass the buckets of water from they hand over the buckets of water from one to other, and that was just used to pond to the uh, from pond or well they bring water, and it was used to extinguish fire. Now there are laws about building construction which ensure that space is left between buildings to reduce the fire risk. So there is a fire extinguish place, means in every building there is a particular space that people will gather over there, and then there is also the arrangement in buildings that in construction it has to be ensured that some measures have to be taken for the risk of fire, means there has to be arrangements to extinguish the fire. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure observance of fire prevention norms. So fire certificate is necessary. Fire prevention norms have to be used when there is new construction of building. Bands of firefighting workers with special equipment known as fire brigades are there to put out fires. So in this new era, there is the band or group of people which is called as fire brigades are there to put out fires. We know that. Firefighters are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They cut off electricity supply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. So these firefighters, they are well trained people. Okay, those persons are well trained. They know what measures have to be taken to control the fire. They are also trained in first aid so that they can help people suffering from burns or from effects of smoke. Even these people, this fire brigade person or these fire brigades, this group, these troops, they are well trained in first aid so that they can help people suffering from burns or from effects of smoke. The discovery of fire and its uses help early man to cope up with nature better and gradually adopt settled mode of life. So the discovery of fire and its uses help early man to cope up with nature better, and gradually they adopt settled mode of life. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Fire is considered as one of the god. People worship fire in the form of god. Fire is indeed a friend, but we know it can be a dangerous enemy once it gets out of control. So, really, fire is our friend, fire is useful in our life. Okay, fire is boon for us, but it turns into the curse if it gets out of control. Students, you must have got thorough information about fire, how to how to light a fire, how to extinguish a fire. What is fire actually? We know that fire is nothing but a chemical reaction. You have learned through this lesson. Not only this, you have learned about fire brigades. You have learned about the past condition of fire brigades and how it was difficult for people to extinguish fire. In new era, how the changes have occurred. All these things regarding fire you have learned, and ultimately now you may have convinced that fire is really our friend, but when it goes out of control, it will be our foe. So you will use fire in your life in appropriate way with the knowledge of this lesson. We'll stop over here. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in my next video.